Send me back to Africa! Send me back to Africa!
Send me back to Africa!
Dear Mr. Whiteman, sir, why did you bring us from the motherland and left we are and cut? I fuck with that.
Send me back to Africa.
I'm tired of waking up to the scent of petrol in the morning. I want to wake up to the scent of fresh elephant shit and dew on the morning grass. Just... Oh, send me back to Africa. I'm tired of this shit. This side of the world is just getting fucked up. Them Kia we coming up and cut. I fuck with that. Bring me back to Africa. You see if them did bring me back to Africa, the Jamaican sprint team would have faster. Cause you have to run for a cheetah. You think a little bit it take for run for a cheetah? Bolt and Shelly and them would cover 100 meter in a 3 second. Flat, barefoot too. No spikes, no nothing. Send me back to Africa. I'm tired of chicken, beef, goat, pork. Want some new type of meat. Bitch, I want some monkey stew. Give me some monkey stew. I want some lima feet soup. Not the feetsies. Want kill King Julian and get some lima feet soup. I want some French fried shrimp. I want some baboon. I want some curry baboon. I want some antelope kebab. Bring me back to Africa. This side of the world is nice no more. All this shit, but over here say I feel worry about hurricane and storm every second. And earthquake and all this shit. When last you hear an earthquake or a storm or a hurricane happening in Africa? When last? Never! Because Africa send them that side there. Every storm where you see happen, it a come from Africa. The motherland a fucking up back. Cause you know, take we away. Send me back to Africa. Them need to stop show Africa in this negative light with all this AIDS. Anytime little violence happen, them broadcast it in the media. Wanna see what happened to the brother where did that talk about Coney? Wanna see what happened to him? Wanna think I know RASS mental breakdown? African voodoo in I'm blood stain. Gonna fast with the African people them. Send me back to Africa. Me don't want to drive car no more. Me don't want to drive in a no car. Me want to pull up on an elephant. Send me back to Africa. I want my 1 dozen wife. I want my 1 dozen wife. 1 dozen pum pum. That's a pum pum for almost 2 friggin' weeks. Niggas can barely get pum pum for a day down here. Pum pum for 2 weeks? Send me back to Africa. Want 1 dozen pum pum. And the woman them can't say nothing about it. I will snip the clit. Tired of friggin' mongrel dog. Me tired of want some lion. Just wake up in the morning. Come Mufasa. Come Simba. Send me back to Africa. I'm tired of all this shit that going over here. I'm tired of wake up and I wear this 1 bag of unnecessary clothes. I just want to get up in the morning and walk around and I'm like a flap. I just want to get up and walk around and I'm like a flap. Walk around and I'm a flap. You know how hard it is to get some tuntun already? And by the time you have to take off pants, take off brief, take off 1 bag of shit. When you're there in Africa, you just gotta lift up your flap in the hole there. Right there, so. In the hole. I'm tired of this. Bitch, I want to wear some cheetah skin drawers. I want to wear some leopard skin drawers. The real shit. Not this fake shit when I soon I wear over here. I want to wear the real shit. I want to fuck up a cheetah, forget my leopard skin drawers. Send me back to Africa. I want to use my hunting skills, my natural hunting skills. I want to hunt my own food. Bitch, send me back to Africa. That's all I want. That's all I need. I'm tired of all this shit in this side of the world. All this makeup, all this shit for make your dick bigger. Shit for make you have 2 foot. And all them fuck with it. I don't even want to wear friggin' deodorant no more. I want to smell like a man. I want to mark my territory. Send me back to Africa. Who the hell knows? I probably have 200 acres of land await for me right now. 1 whole tribe supposed to be a search for me. I am their lost king. We want a king. Where is King Kevin to Cressy? We want a king. Becky, where is our king? Send me back to Africa.
Send me your fuck back.
I'm tired of all this shit. All this place. So much fake bad man there on the side of the world. Africa the real hot skull them there. The real bad charge them. Let's pop off all a spear.
Hey boy, where are you?
Roll up with a blows and skirt flute gun. On to them. Just pop off.
Hey boy.
I wanna go back to Africa, go bust flute gun and bow and arrow. Send me back to Africa. And that's how the real warriors them there. No man on this side of the world no bad. Until you can take a RASS lick out of one cow tie bone. Yeah man. Pop off a cow tie bone and just crack your one. That the time to me say you bad. Send me back to Africa. I want to go back to Africa. You see, I'm telling you what them do. They make sure get we out, you know. Because if some of them are Jamaican and did steal their Africa, you think them could have moved no farmer goal? You think them could have exploit Africa?
Hey sir, drop every piece of gold in your hand for me chopping on your blood clot. Put on that and cut. Trouble.
I want to go back to Africa. Life in this bitch ain't shit. Africa is a wonderful continent, and I rep for the USA, the United States of Africa. Shout out to the motherland. Shout out to every African. Give me a one-way ticket. I'm going back to Africa to live it. In a Babylon I get tax in a me RASS. Want go back a me yard. Mama Africa. Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.
Rich boy selling debt, riding kangaroo jacks, just bought an elephant. Feed some grass to that bitch, just bought an elephant. Feed some grass.